I want to take this opportunity and welcome the three of you to Victoria.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The business has been around in Victoria for quite a while, but you guys haven't.
Absolutely. Business has been around since '95. We took over about 6 months ago.
You must be really excited to have a business that has so much unique product.
That's what we love about the unique business market. We've got customization from our hardware, the door hardware, to our cabinetry hardware, all the way to our plumbing lines.
And I love the showroom as well because you can see what a shower head looks like when it's installed, the water pressure. You can see the tubs and what they're going to look like.
And that's what we like about our clients that come in. They want to come in and touch and feel and get an understanding and how it works, and they can actually see how it works as well.
Your clients really consist of builders up to designers and homeowners and everything in between.
That's why we want everybody to come in and take a look and see what we have.
Thank you.
Thank you.